How to draw Legoshi from Bearstars. To begin, we're going to start off by making a slanted line right here at the bottom of the page. This is because we're only going to make the neck up. Next, we're going to make a second line right here at this point where we finished. Personally, I haven't watched a whole lot of Bearstars, but who's your favorite character from the show? Now on the left hand side, we're going to make a second line to help make the neck, but this will not be as straight as the one that we just made. Let's just connect this point right here. Awesome. Now let's move above everything that we just made. We're going to begin to draw the ears. The first ear that we're going to draw will be the left ear. The ears will look similar to a triangle, but without a bottom. Next, at that end point of where we just finished, we're going to begin to make a curved line. This will help bridge the two ears together. Now we're going to draw the second ear on the right hand side. This will look extremely similar to the one on the left hand side. Now, starting from the bottom point of the right ear, we're going to begin to draw the right side of the face and we're going to connect it down to the neck. The cool thing about this part is that you can make the hair as crazy or fluffy as you would like. We're going to make the hair by using sharp like edges. If you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Something else that's really cool about hitting the subscribe button is that you can request art drawing tutorials just like this. Are you all done drawing the right side of the face? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now let's hop on over to the left hand side and let's begin to draw the left side of the face. This will look similar to the right hand side, although you can get a little creative just how you did on the right hand side. Something that I thought was kind of interesting is that Legoshi is a gray wolf, and in the wild, gray wolves are the most aggressive wolves. Do you see this in his character? Is it shown in the show? Awesome, that looks great. If you need a moment to catch up, then just go ahead and pause the video. Now let's go ahead and draw the inside of the ears. We're going to draw the inside of the ears by making a triangle-like shape. This triangle-like shape will help separate the colors. Nice, now let's do the exact same thing, but on the right hand side. Let's just connect this last piece right here. Awesome. Now on the inside of the face, we're going to make an outline. This will help separate the colors because the inside of the face is a lighter color, whereas the outside is a darker color. Now this outline that we draw will look similar to a heart and will connect down to the neck. I think this is kind of interesting that it looks like a heart because a gray wolf is supposed to be really aggressive. Is there some type of symbolism with Legoshi's character? Let us know down in the comments below. Nice job, so far this is coming along very well. On the bottom of everything that we just made, we're going to begin to add in a curved line on each side. These curved lines will help us make the outline connect down to the neck. All done making your curved lines? If so, let's go ahead and connect these curved lines all the way down to the neck. We're all done making the outline. Next, we're going to begin to draw the nose, eyes, mouth, and eyebrows. We're going to first draw the nose. The nose will look similar to a triangle, but with curved edges. Connected to the nose, we're going to begin to draw the mouth. We're going to make it appear as if Legoshi is smiling, so this should be fairly simple. Next, above the nose, we're going to begin to draw the eyes of Legoshi. Now be careful because these are not going to be very circular. They're going to almost look like a square, but with curved edges. On the inside, we're going to draw the pupil by making a very small circle with a very small white space left open on the inside. Awesome, let's do the exact same thing but on the right hand side. Last but not least, above the outline of the face, above the eyes, we're going to begin to draw the eyebrows. We're just going to use simple lines. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Legoshi from Bearstars. If you want to see more videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. At the end of this video, I'm going to show a picture of our Legoshi colored in, so then you can pause it and color it in as you please. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.